ShortStack offers multiple help resources as well as several ways to get in touch. If you're just getting started in the platform and don't know where to start, check out our Getting Started video and guide. If you're starting with a template, our most popular templates offer a tutorial video to walk you through setting them up. If you're stuck or have a quick question, the best place to start is in our help talks or on our YouTube channel. Search for keywords in the search bar. If you can't find what you're looking for, don't hesitate to reach out. We answer support requests 365 days a year at the team@shortstacklab.com, and we offer live chat during most business hours. If you want to learn to become a ShortStack Pro, take a few minutes a day to work through ShortStack University. You'll start with the basics and advance to learning our most sophisticated features. If you have big ideas or just want us to do the building for you, reach out to our sales team to talk about a custom build. We look forward to working with you. Check out the video description to find links to all of our help resources mentioned in this video.